Fear is a strange thing. It holds us back, keeps us trapped in our comfort zone, convinces us to play it safe. It's the reason people say, I'll start the project later, I'll speak up next time, I'll take the opportunity when I'm ready. But here's the truth, fear is never going away. And if the fear is always going to be there, maybe the solution isn't getting rid of it, but learning how to use it. Let's go back to my exit attempt. I had two choices, give in to fear, skate away, and stay exactly where I was. Or face it, jump and see what happens. Spoiler alert, I jumped. And I fell hard. And that fall, it hurt a lot. But in that moment, something shifted. Because even though I failed, I had proved that I could try. And the next time, I jumped again, and again, and again, until one day, I landed. Now, it's just part of my warm-up. But that moment, that first fall, was the turning point. Because that's when I realized fear doesn't mean stop. Fear means you're about to do something important. It wasn't just me. Some of the greatest achievements in history only happened because someone pushed through fear. Imagine sitting in a tiny spacecraft, knowing that no human had ever done this before. The risk of failure, high. The possibility of never coming back, very real. The night before his mission, Gagarin wrote a letter to his wife, in case he didn't return. But despite his fear, he still stepped into the unknown. Why? Because he understood something we all must learn. Fear doesn't mean stop. Fear means you're about to do something that matters. Before becoming one of Russia's greatest writers, Dostoevsky faced death. He was sentenced to execution, lined up in a public square, blindfolded, waiting for the gunshot that would end his life. At the last second, he was spared, but that moment changed him forever. He later wrote, "To be on the edge of death and still be alive. It makes you appreciate every moment." His fear didn't break him, it fueled him. He wanted to write Crime and Punishment. The Brother Karamazov is some of the greatest works of literature the world has ever seen. Fear is always there. The difference is what you do with it. Yuri Gagarin's fear could have stopped him, and we might never have reached space.